Ever felt mentally exhausted, even before your day properly begins, like your brain is drowning in choices? What to wear, what to eat, what task to do first. And by the time you reach the real decisions, you're already drained. That's decision fatigue, and it's silently destroying your ability to make good choices. I'm the Darklight mentor, and today we're going to break the chains of decision fatigue so you can reclaim your mental power and make sharper, smarter choices daily. Now let me tell you a secret. I used to struggle with this badly. I would overthink every little thing. What project to start, what words to say, even what time to work out. By noon, my mind would feel like mush, and by evening, I'd be making terrible choices. Eating junk, wasting time, procrastinating. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. Your brain has a limited amount of decision-making power every day. And if you waste it on small, useless choices, you won't have any mental energy left for the big, life-changing ones. That's why the world's most successful people, Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg, even Einstein, wore the same clothes every day. They eliminated small, unnecessary decisions so they could focus on what truly mattered. Now, let's fix this. 1. Automate your smallest decisions. Think about all the tiny choices you make daily. What to wear, what to eat, when to check emails. These drain your brain. So, set up automatic systems. Pick your outfit the night before. Eat the same healthy breakfast every morning. Have a set schedule for your work, workouts, and relaxation. The less you have to think about these things, the more mental energy you have for important decisions. 2. Reduce your options. Ever stood in a grocery store staring at a wall of toothpaste brands, unable to choose? That's decision overload. When your brain has too many choices, it panics. That's why successful people limit their options. Instead of scrolling Netflix for an hour, make a watch list in advance. Instead of switching between 10 apps, stick to just 1 or 2 for each task. Instead of deciding what to do next every hour, plan your day in advance. Less choices equals less stress equals better decisions. 3. Make high-stakes decisions in the morning. Your brain is the sharpest in the morning and weakest at night. That's why you make better choices early in the day and worse ones later. Ever notice how at night you crave junk food or binge-watch nonsense? That's decision fatigue. So, schedule your biggest decisions in the morning. Important work? Morning. Financial decisions? Morning. Life-changing conversations? Morning. Save low-energy tasks for later, like replying to emails or watching videos. Use the 2-minute rule. Some decisions drain your time because you keep overthinking them. Solution? If a decision takes less than 2 minutes, make it immediately. Don't waste time debating what snack to eat, what pen to use, or whether to reply now or later. Just decide and move on. Small decisions should not steal your mental energy. 5th, set if-then rules for common situations. Every day you face repeat situations. Someone interrupts you, you feel lazy, a friend asks for a favor. Instead of thinking every time, pre-decide your response. If I wake up tired, then I will drink a glass of water and stretch instead of hitting snooze. If I feel overwhelmed, then I will take a 5-minute break instead of quitting. If someone asks me for an unnecessary favor, then I will say, I'd love to help, but I'm busy right now. This removes hesitation and helps you make smart choices automatically. 6. Cut out maybe. Nothing drains your energy like indecision. Maybe I'll go to the gym. Maybe I'll call them later. Maybe I'll start my project tomorrow. No. Replace maybe with a real decision, yes or no. If it's a yes, do it. If it's a no, move on. Stop keeping unnecessary choices hanging in your mind. 7. Protect your mental energy like gold. Think of your brain's decision-making power like a phone battery. If you waste it on useless apps, it dies before the real work begins. That's why successful people delegate, automate, and simplify. Unsubscribe from unnecessary emails. Limit social media scrolling. Say no to things that don't matter, because every useless decision you remove from your life makes space for better, stronger choices. Now, let's put this into action. Pick one strategy from today's lesson, just one, and apply it immediately. Maybe you'll automate your morning routine. Maybe you'll remove maybe from your vocabulary. Maybe you'll start making your biggest decisions in the morning. Whatever it is, take action. because the quality of your life is determined by the quality of your choices. And we'll meet again tomorrow.